So now, good morning class 8th C, right? So in the previous class, I have given one homework, web to calculate area of rectangle, and you were supposed to send me as an assignment. But out of, around 45 students, very few, around 10 to 12 students have sent me the solution. So first of all, in today's class, we will discuss that question. Then we will do more algorithms based questions. Am I clear, everybody?
Sir, can I ask something?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, you can ask.
Sir, can there be more than 5 steps?
Why not, beta? You can have any number of steps in your algo. That depends on the question only. Okay, Atif?
Sir, Pratyush.
Yeah, I know you are Pratyush. I am just asking Atif also. So Atif, roll number 16. Atif, what's your roll number?
My roll number is 15.
Pardon?
15. Sir, 15.
15. Okay. Who is roll number 16? Beta, please speak up. Hurry up. Yes, Aviral Khanna is there. Aviral. Beta, why you people are not responding, huh? Roll number 20.
So, can I go to the washroom?
Yes, beta, Nadi, please. Okay, so let me share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to everybody, right?
Yes, sir.
So my question was, write an algorithm to print area of rectangle, right? So now please see the solution here. So solution will be like this. Step 1. Step 1 must be start. Step 2
Step
must be
length and breadth and B and H. Read or accept. Sir, B and H.
you can use B and H. Now listen. The formula of area of rectangle is length into width. So you can use L and W. You can use L and B. That is of your choice. Okay, everybody?
Sir, then, yes, sir. Step 3 is a calculate A equals to L into
So step 3 will be your area equals to L into.
L into B. Calculate also.
Yes, you can write the calculate also, or directly you can write AR equals to L into B. So this AR is a variable in which we are storing the area of rectangle. Am I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Then print
area.
Print area.
Print area.
So now step 5 would be your stop. So this is the simple solution of the algorithm to print area of rectangle. Please note down, everybody.
Yes, sir. I will do that.
And now one more thing. Today, now listen first of all, please. Everybody, please quiet. So today onwards, I am going to post the solution in the GCR also. So those who are not there in the GCR, please. They are going to face problem because the solution I will post in the GCR. Is that clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
And now one more thing. The whole thing I am recording, whatever I am teaching today or today onwards. So that recording also I will post in the GCR. Like in the last year also you were getting the recordings in the GCR. So those who have still not joined the GCR, please let me know their ID. Please let me know their Jaipuria ID. And please send your ID card pic on my personal WhatsApp after the class. Is that clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Don't forget to accept the invite from the GCR. You need to join, because on that only you are going to get the recording as well as the question and the solutions also. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I hope the solution everybody has seen this. There is no confusion with this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
this is what I wrote and mailed to you.
Yeah, you can. After the copying, after copying all the work, you need to mail me with a proper PDF file. Okay, now, so just try the next question. Write an algorithm to print the largest of two numbers. Do it fast. Very soon we will start the flow chart also.
Sir, we have to do it with the pencil.
Beta, yes, you can use pencil. Question you can copy with pen in the notebook, but the solution you need to use pencil. And those who are using computer, they can directly type and they can post in the GCR. Please do it fast, everybody. And take your time. Don't be in hurry. So here the question is, write an algorithm to print the largest of two numbers. So that means user is inputting two numbers and then we are supposed to find the largest. And this question you have done in class 7th also. So,
And in C++.
yes, no issue. The programming language doesn't matter here. The algo is same for all the languages. The algo is not a programming, language dependent.
Have that if equal to, sir, that.
Yes, you need to use that. Hardik Nagpal is there.
Yes, sir.
What's your roll number, beta?
The 19.
Okay. Hardik Nagpal. Agast Mishra is there.
Yes, sir.
What's your roll number? 18.
18.
Who is before you? 17.
Gargi Mahanta.
Gargi Manta.
Sir, she's suffering from COVID.
Okay. No problem. And before her, 16 roll number.
Maybe only Khan.
Sir, Atif Javed is in front of his name. It is written roll number 16.
Oh,
My roll number.
no problem. Do it fast. Atif Javed, what's your roll number? 9. Sorry, 15.
Sir, 15 in the.
You are 16, beta. Okay, thank you. Arya Bacho, send the solution. Okay, now everybody please pay attention. This I am going to help you. So the question is, write an algorithm to print the largest of two number. So what will be the first step? Step 1.
Start.
Very good. So as usual, step 2. What?
Read A, B.
Read two numbers,
Read two numbers.
A comma B, right? This is also correct. Step 3.
Can we just write A, comma B?
No, beta, you can use X and Y also, like this.
No, sir. I meant that we need to write the two numbers, or we can just write read A, comma B.
That is also correct, or this way also it is correct. Okay? Okay, bache?
Sir, if A, sir, if
So now we
bracket
will
A-
write if A is greater than B, then what we are
Then we
supposed
will
to
not
print?
make bracket.
Print A is big and that A. There are so many variation. Else print B is big. Then
So
print.
that would be step 4 other.
Beta,
So that
see,
would be step 4.
I told you,
Let's print B.
listen. I told you there are so many variation. This is also
I
correct.
have written in different steps.
No problem. You should know this
Sir,
also.
if they are equal. Yes, sir, if they are written.
But in this we are not assuming that they are same values. They are having the same value. But that is also a good question. So now see the variation. So now we are going to do this question in a different manner. Okay, everybody please pay attention. So now we are going to introduce some new things. So if the first condition is true, then go to step 4. Else, beta wait. Else go to step 6. Now see. So now in the next step, if the first condition is true, that means if A is greater than B, that means what? We are coming to the step 4. So here what you are supposed to print? Print A is big and this. So after that, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to go to step 5. Now see here. So here we are putting a condition. If B is greater than A, then go to step 6. Else go to step that I will write later. Just wait. So now step 6, what you will write? You will write B is big and the B also, right? But just wait, don't copy now. There are some logical things in this program that I will discuss. Just wait a minute, my dear friend. Let me discuss this now. Okay, now see one by one. If this condition is true, if A is greater than B, then we are coming to the step 4. So step 4 is this. A is big. So after this A is big, what you are supposed to print? Your program is over. Then go to step 8. Please try to understand. Now, if the step 3 is wrong, then you are going to the step 5. So in the step 5, again we are putting a condition. And if this one is true, then coming to the step 6. So after executing the step 6, go to step 8. And now here what we will write? Step 7. So now this program is complete. Please pay attention here. These lines are very, very important.
Here we have to execute the value.
Yes. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Everybody please note down. So all the conditions I have fulfilled. Means if A is greater than B, then the step 4 will execute. Otherwise, step 5 will execute. In the step 5, again we are putting a condition. If B is greater than A, then going to the step 6. So where you are printing B is bigger. After that, program is stopping. So directly you are coming to the step 8. But if the step 3 and step 5 both are false, automatically the step 7 will execute, and in that you are printing a message, both are same values, and then automatically it will come to the next step. Am I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
One second, sir. Can you notice?
Please note down this, everyone, without any mistake. I'm post.
Can I ask one thing?
Yes, beta, why not?
Sir, in step 3, sir, like I've written step 1 start, step 2 read A, comma B, and then step 3 I've written if A is greater than B, then go to step 4. If B is greater than A, then go to step 5, else go to step 6. Sir, is it correct?
Beta, just show me that solution.
So,
Just post in the GCR, beta. You don't know how to post in the GCR, Bhuvnesh?
sir, I'm Anadi.
Oh, sorry, Anadi. No problem, Anadi. That you can mail me, right? I will check, and you can cross check it from here. Okay?
Sir, I cannot post. Sir,
But why you cannot post?
Just add a class comment. Sir, I can just add a class comment.
Yes, yes, you can just post as a comment only.
Okay, sir.
Under the comments you can post. See, I have posted the solution. Under that you can post as a comment, beta. Are you there in that GCR or not?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
But I am not getting your things.
Sir, one second.
Everybody should know how to post solution in the GCR.
Sir, actually, I have not written.
See, those who have directly done on the computer, they can copy and paste in the comments, under the comments, right? And those who have done in the notebook, they can take the pic. They can take the screenshot, take the pic using the mobile, and they can post in the GCR directly. You must be knowing how to post.
Sir, actually, there's a problem that I don't have GCR in my mobile, sir. I have in my computer.
But this is always better to use a computer for the class. If you are using mobile, that means somewhere you are going to face problem. Okay, no problem. So now just try this question. You can mail me later also. Okay, everybody?
I want to ask a question.
Yes, you can ask, beta.
Sir, where do we have to write this algorithm in which file we will write in a computer?
Beta, you will both side you can use, because we are not using the interleaf, and you need to copy these things in your fair notebook only.
Sir,
Under-
I will copy it in the fair notebook, but
Yeah.
sir, if I have to copy it on my computer, sir, on which file we will
But a notepad, see,
Notepad.
see, you can copy, you can write down in the notepad. That is always better, or MS Word. As you can see on my screen, I am using this notepad because notepad provides maximum area, right?
Yes, sir.
Got it now?
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay, so just try one more question. The question is there on your screen, everybody. Please look at here. I am going to type, and by the time you can also type. So write an algorithm to print the absolute difference of two numbers. Got it? Got the question, beta? Please note down this. Write an algorithm to print the absolute difference of two numbers. So absolute difference means output always, the result must be positive. Means you need to subtract smallest number from the largest.
Yes, sir.
And now one more thing in this question. Just assume that both the numbers are having different value. They are not having the same value. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Please try this question fast.
Can you again explain what is absolute
But
difference?
absolute means you need to subtract a smaller number from the largest one. So first of all, we are supposed to find the largest and then the smallest. Okay? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Avanti,
Do it fast. And this question, this program, this algo, you need to mail me also. Is that clear? And I think everybody knows the mail ID. computerhc2020@gmail.com.
Yes, sir.
Do it fast. Atif, beta, are you getting this? Pratyush,
No, sir.
please try. We will discuss this. Palak, please do it. Please try to understand the question first before doing. You can use the rough notebook also first if you are having any confusion. Shreya Singh, are you getting the question, beta? Good,
Yes, sir.
good, good. Omisha Tripathi. Omisha,
Yes, sir.
are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hardik Nagpal,
Yes, sir.
are you getting the question, beta?
Sir, I am trying.
Very good. Please try. Don't worry whether you are getting or not. If you people are not getting, I am there for you only. Aviral Khanna, Aviral,
Sir, done.
post the solution in the GCR.
Okay, sir.
Have you posted, beta? After posting, please let me know. Because I didn't receive anything till now. Even if you are,
Sir,
yes, you
sir,
can.
sir, in my home there is no school, sir. I am not able to see any section for sending.
Beta, there is a
Yes, sir. That's what
add
I'm
class
saying.
comment.
Yes, sir.
Just click on that and post the solution.
Because on add class comment, sir, we cannot
Yes, sir.
send the pictures.
You can send the pictures, beta.
We can just type in it.
Sir, can we
Sir,
write
when
here?
Wait, wait.
like share your class comment with the students, sir, then we can post the picture.
Yes.
Add class comment, only write the thing.
You can send me in the chat box also. Hurry up, child. Okay, now class, time is running short. So this is the homework which you need to do and you need to mail me on my mail ID. Am I clear? The question is there on your screen. And this class I have recorded also. I will post the recording in the GCR. You can go through the question. If you will go through the recording, you can get it easily. Yes, this is your homework only. Yes, beta Atif.
So do we have to send it on the Google customer? Can we just mail it to you?
Yeah, you need to mail me the whole thing. Those who have not
So
sent.
we don't need to send it all on the Google Classroom, right?
No, no, no. Just mail me. Okay. This solution only you can post in the GCR if you want. But rest of the things, those who have not sent, they are supposed to mail me. Okay, class?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So I am ending
Okay,
today's
sir.
class. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.